The baddest bitch from NST, that's empiricist. Bitches be jealous when I win, gives me so much bliss. They can't compare, that's why they mad, I'm who they wanna be. Stalking me, hating me, come to me and face me. I see you chilling, it's what you
Sanbonani baby, Sanbonani Bolala. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mbulela Austin Bailey, also known as Kim. Today I'm showing you guys ukuthi akusi vlog, and the reason why ngingaka vlog namuhla ukuthi leli viki leli shame I've been doing the same thing. My practicals every day nje ngivuka ngo-6 or I mean ngivuka ngabo 4 5 ngibuya ngabo 3 emsebenzini, so angendi anything le-10 nangibuya nje ngibhizi ngama-lesson plans. After ama-lesson plans ngiyapheka, ngiyadla, ngiyalala nje into yinye. So ngizamile ku-vlogger. Also kule sikolo le ngenda kuzo ama-practicals ba very strict shem, so manje bathi amafoni akumelanga siwabambe kakhulu, but I did try ku-vlogger. Nase ngihlanganisa ngiyabona ukuthi no man, akukho kuhle, akungichazi, so angeke ngize nginipostele i-vlog le ngachaza imini emnikati nginikede nina into thini seniyendani, uyabo. So I was like, shame, instead let me just do something else, because bakhona vele abantu aba-expecte i-video leli viki leli, so ngeke ngihlale shame ngize nginivalele ngaphandle nganiposteli lutho ngenxa yokuthi i-vlog angayithandi. Never sister, no. So today I'm going to be doing makeup. I'm gonna be doing makeup. Ngizobe ngitena i-makeup. Sengikuphinza kwesi-3 loko, imagine. Ngoba ngitena i-makeup ngale kit yami lengiyithengile ka-Take a Lot, and niyati guys ukuthi ngiyi-beginner shame, so nami angathi kuzoba ngintani kahle kahle la, but Stobona khona shem, I'm a beginner, keep that in mind. So I'm gonna start with primer, Jabonje, just to prep my skin. Actually, let me put this here. The primer le guys ngithenge ka LA Lab ePep. Yeah, ka LA Lab ngithenge ePep. So this is the primer. Also, ngiphelele malo ma wipes makeup, because kuningi shem so long ngitena makeup, so like ngiyapractice, so ma wipes amagcine aphelile and bengisebenzisa lawa ka LA Lab. Yo, they were so good. So angathi kus if into nama mistakes la ngwalungisa njani, because I don't have wipes. Manje we're gonna do the brows. Ngithanda kucala ngemehlo mina. So far nje since yabo bengisolong practice ngani, so ngithanda kucala ngemehlo mangene makeup, because I think mawucala ngemehlo nje ku much better. So uyabo nje, so wenda lo lokunye. For my brows I'm gonna use this gel Echo is a seyaphela shem, and i-gel yami yasenhloko le, but like since I don't have a brow gel, I'm just gonna use Echo gel. For inhloko yami, it's very good and iyabamba, so hopefully it works good for my brows. And ngizamile kwathiza ama brows last week, and bengicala ukuthiza yathi shame yathi kuningi lengufundzako, and solo ngiyachubeka ngiyafunza soon nje ngoba se nginaba le makeup, and I want to do that. Ngifuna kugcina senginaba le makeup. That's where I'm going with this whole entire makeup thingy. Yabo. Also, I'm very much aware that my bed looks a little bit messy. It's because being prepare my wigs nakhona bengithi ngidofaka le Kelsey, but then ngafaka le, because le Kelsey it's a 13x4, so ile siyakhona icala la igcine la, and kumele ngibe ne-glamour spray, and i-glamour spray yami inemngani wami, and she's not here right now, so lena it's glueless, but ngizamile i-glamour spray which I borrowed from one of my friends, Lana, and nayibeseka hamba, so ngithe ngicela ngiboleke ngithi nje for isikhashana into khona kuyilo kuyifaka fast ngicela. Oh my goodness. By the way guys, this concealer is from LA Lab. It's not bad, but like it gets the job done. It's not a bad concealer, but actually concealer look good, but it's not bad. My products are LA Lab, Akahle nje. It's not a bad concealer, honestly. It's not a bad concealer. But ngifuna ukuthenga leya ka-Essence probably month end. Ngiyayifuna. Ngibone ama-good reviews ngayo. So I need it. Actually, guys, no, guys, no, kunento kumele ngiyenze nele ngikhohliwe. Wait, le step le kumele ngabe ngisendile ngilesi ngisenanyala lesokuthi ngifake lama-tapes lawa la, like lama-tapes lawa ngafakela ukuthi like into khona kudweba i-eyeliner yami yabo, angisho ngiyi-beginner, so ngisengama-strategic kudweba kahle eyeliner, so lama-tapes lawa ayenza umsebenzi wami ubedlula mangizama kudweba ilo i-eyeliner. Also like if ngifakela ama-tapes lawa nangifaka nale concealer futhi nasengiblenda everything vele nje kunginikete le look leya le snatched yabo. So akukho bad shame, i-eyeliner vele akumelange ibe exactly njengaleya lelinye liso, but ngiyazama. I do try ukuthi ibe ngcono, ibe better. So I think this is not bad at all. Wait. You need it. Ngicethile kufaka i-concealer la ngaphasi, ngiyalo ngidofaka la ngetulu, but angeke ngize ngifake i-concealer. Ngidofaka this dark foundation yala LA Lab, yini Toasted Hazelnut, cause anginayo i-concealer le darker than this one, so I have this foundation. I'm gonna use it as my concealer. Ngidoyifaka ngala tulu. I think for me ilo step lesinzima kakhulu kwe makeup kusenda ukwenza ama-brows, cause my brows are very bushy, so ngizamile kwa-tweezer, but still like they are very bushy, so go very hard ukuthi ngiwa-shape, but I do try, honestly. I try. Then now I'm gonna do the other side. My brows are twins. My brows are not twins. They are not identical twins. My cousins. So like not actually cousins, sisters. So kona kwamele abonakale ngathi ayafana, but fine. But I did try, Shem. I think I did my best. So yeah. And it's getting very late, guys. So if the lighting is better, I think I just a light lamp. Go see in case the lighting it better kakhulu ungakaqedi, then ngizokhona kulo. So nyalo ngizosebenzisa le powder le. It's from LA Lab. Ngizoyifaka la ngifake khona le concealer cause angifuni le concealer yento engathi wasiyendani iyakhiza kumyenda njani kona lo like ngifuna ukuthi ihlale yabo. So I'm just gonna use the powder to do that, just to set the concealer ukuthi ihlale. Yeah, angifuni inyekanyeke. That's what I'm gonna do. Yo, ngaze ngathi mawasha. Damn. But I will go bed. Yo, like ngibona ngathi nalamthi mawasha khona. It's not set the concealer. I'm gonna be using this eyeliner from Essence. Ngiyayithanda shebe kakhulu and iyalasta. Hopefully I don't mess things up, because if ngamess up hanyalo sengifake ilo i-concealer kuba very hard for me ukuthi ngilungise le mistake. Ngiminyile. Yeva. Ngiminyile. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, please. I don't want to mess this up, because like I'm gonna yoga, please. I don't want to mess this up, because I'm gonna yoga. Let's go to the other side. Hayi nami ngiyazama bandla. The other eye. Let me take the tapes off, Sana, because ngifuna kubona phela ukuthi like njengela dona la. Okay, this side is wow, good. Let's see this one. Niyabo guys, like akukho bad, ne? Akukho bad, but I think I did better this side than this side. It's not bad at all. Not at all, Shem. And yeah, it's not bad. But lenye ngathi ikhuphuke kakhulu kunale ilona ay nje. The very same thing I said about brows, nemehlo, ne-eyeliner nayo injalo. Akusima twins, bo sis na sis. So please ngiyakupha nje asiqhubekeni guys. I don't know if ngifake eyeshadow kumbe njani, but I'm not gonna do that. Angisengabi tukwerash ukuthi ngite nema eyeshadows ne kwanyalo nje ngina nje makeup le simple, so I think this is gonna be a natural glam. So now I'm just gonna put foundation. Excuse me. By the way, this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna use this beauty blender ukuthi ngifake le foundation, and le beauty blender ngiyoyithambisa kancane because angifuni ihlale products leningi la. Mandi la lengwaprayer la guys, mandi angifuni kuyiprayer kakhulu because itogcina seiba njani njani. Yo asengifake kakhulu nalamandi nami ngiyaphaphashela ke ngifaka nje ngedlamba kwesandla sami bese sengithi actually i-foundation guys bekumele ngaba ngayini. So actually kuze i-foundation yakho itoyenda i-full coverage kumele ufake ngesandla. Le trick le ngiyifunze nami njengoba bengisolo ngipractice, so ucela ufake ngesandla i-foundation. Uma wenda sona ikhona kuspreadeka kahle kamnanzi, yabo. Uvele nje uthi ngesandla ikhona nje kuspreadeka kamnanzi kabi uthi saka. Na wena naso blender ivele nje ithi ihlale kahle. Na ucala ngokuthi I got you like she did it again. Mara la scopa ngifuna kuyifaka kakhulu. Ngifuna kuyifaka kakhulu la scopa. Scopa ngifuna kuyifaka kakhulu. Ngifuna ukuthi nje ngecaca kancane. Yes. Ngiyabona man nangisolo ngibhizi ngitendela ukuthi no kune step lengisishodisile ngikhohle ukufaka i-concealer la mehlweni. How? Where is the brush? Look at the brush, the concealer manje. Yo le nto kamchemi yokuhambe nema-wipes le iyangikhawatha because manje ngisebenzisa nje i-tissue and kunebu-untied nyana lokho which I don't like. Angifuni kuyifaka kakhulu la ngase ngalala leliso livaleka khona ngasekhoneni because itoyenda lokuya kokuthi angibisisi kwebudlaphanyana which I don't want. Itoyenda lokho budlapha manje angifuni lokho. Ngifaka nala. I'm gonna use this beauty blender for blender the concealer yam. Like I wanna try something guys ne. Hey nitoyibona like ngifuna ke nalokho kathi mhlawumbe aba smoky thizeni. I wanna try that. I don't know if ikutoyenteka but ngifuna ukuzama shem. Angifuni kuyifaka kakhulu le-concealer cause into bangathi ispoko. Yabo. I don't want that. I'm also gonna put the concealer. I'm also gonna put the concealer here. Nah. Actually, logo talks about the blender, not the foundation. Let's do the blending for the foundation now. Accurate. This is what I want. Guys, ene kuba mnyama shem yata kusimi ngitokhanyisa lambu. Ngikhohle kufaka le concealer la. Lokule brush. Nyabo senilithethe le brush nyana. Ngilithethe. Buka sengilithola kulo libeke ngibani lapha. Ngiyinbolala. La kungablende khona, I think I'm gonna use a brush, but kuyablende ngeke ukuthi kufuna ngiphenga ukupresetela, which is time consuming. But here uyabo le foundation ukuthi if uqale uyi-apply ngesandla ebusweni bakho ukuthi kuba easy njani ukuthi uyi-blend, ngilo nje ngithi dwap la ngibona ngathi idzinge kakhona nje, la ngibona ngathi idzinge kakhona. Oh, ngila ngidwaphiswa khona bo njengala, because lama areas lawa I know ukuthi anokuhlupha, anokucaleka ngablendi kahle with the skin. I mean unale rest of the foundation ngifake la sikhumbeni, so I need to make sure full coverage. No uyabona amabala la, no phela ngine-dark spots, but like ngeke uzwabona ngikhohlwa kuyifaka nalaphela phela la kumele ingene because into khona ngane-blender kahle blend, so iyadzinga nge-foundation la. Le concealer angayifaki kahle. Oh, let me do this. Lighting is bad. It's bad. Now my blush light tuna, but angicabanga ukuthi a brown skin friendly. I don't know. I don't think so. Actually, guys, ngifuna kulayitha lights because of what? The lighting is so bad. But show into lighter ekugcineni mase nginikhomba i-final products because what? Hopefully guys ngiyabonakala nje. Yeah, hopefully guys sendibona ekugcineni mase ngibona i-final product because what? I think like lama blush I'm gonna try lele ngibona ngathi i-dark kakhulu kudlala lenye, which is this one. Hopefully lama blush lawa a brown skin friendly because I don't know, and it's something it's a shame. I have so many things to do. Lawa buka ngathi ba hawo ngeke shemkel, ngeke never no. I lama blush lawa ke right. Oh ngathi ba hayi ngeke ngeke girl. Ngeke shem. I'm just gonna do makeup yam without a blush. Ngitothenga i-blush le-right, ngibafaka i-concealer la ukuze into khona kuba snatched nyana yabo. Yeah, let me do that. And le foundation le yangichaza because in a matte finish man, like ngathi ngifake i-powder manje angayifaka, which I love. Blend. Sanibonani bo babe, sanibonani la shem yati. Sorry guys, ifoni yami isale yacima kwakose ukuthi ngiyichargeise, ngasala ngachargeisa ne-mic. Uyabona nje ngala shem ngicharge space, but yes gcine ngaloku shem. iphelele labo baby shame. I don't know but like ngibona ngathi ngizamile even though nje bekungasinto le bengicabanga ukuthi ngidoyena or le bengiyifuna, but I did try shame guys. Sigcine la, this is the look. Ayikho bad angathi ukuthi ngithini but I think I tried as a beginner. Ayibo angizamile shame angifuni nje kucamba mangala ma-lashes nje awakahlali kahle lawa ayangibhora. Ngizamile kwahlalisa but like angithandi the way ahleli ngakhona yabo bengifuna abe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Bulala. Ngicela niqhubekeni ni-like-eni ni-comment-eni ni-subscribe-eni. I'm so sorry because this week angapost i-vlog but yeah la ngifake ama-glitters guys. I mean if into bona ngathi kunjani ngokuthi ngifake ama-glitters. I'm so sorry guys. Nginganifakeli i-vlog this week. Inkinga nje bengibusy kakhulu. Na next week I don't think ngidonifakela i-vlog. I don't know ukuthi ngidofaka ini. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu Bulala. Mwah.